Hello, I'm Sureka. Let's go right into the task exploratory data analysis with the dataset sample superstore. I'm using Power BI application, which is a product of Microsoft. Let's look at the data. There are many attributes, and for a business question, something like which state has made highest profits, it's very hard to get the answer by looking at these thousands of values of data. For that, we are going to use different kind of plots to get the answer easily. So here I used a card, pie chart, a map, and a bar plot. We can also add a slicer to look at different regions of US. Yes, here. Now let's look at the plots to understand the data more. So there are exactly three different kinds of categories: office supplies, furniture, and technology. So the most of the part is taken by the office supplies. So if we click on office supplies, we have got 122k profit made by paper, blinders, and many more. And most of the sales have taken part in California, New York, and also this Texas. So, but if we click on the category of technology, the profit is 145k, which is more than the office supplies, right? So the subcategories are copiers, phones, and accessories. Of course, these would make a very large profit. California, Oregon, and also New York. So the highest sales are happened here in these states. So now the tables has a very less profit. So if I'm a business manager, I would focus on the problems like why the furniture has made less profit than the other office supplies and technologies. You can see it's a very less profit compared to the others. And also, if I click on the central region of US, you can see the map has zoomed in to focus on the central region of US. And also, there are many more subcategories that have a negative profits. And the total profit is just 39.71k. And most of the sales are from Texas, Michigan, and also Minnesota and some other states. But if I click on the west region, you can see most of them has a very positive profits. Is the highest of all the region, 108.42k. Of course, and the highest is from California. So I would also focus on the problem something like why the central region has made very less profits compared to the west. Mm, So this is all the representations I have made, and thank you for listening.